For some reason, I've never had a kitchen jacket that fits me. They're always humongous on me, and I think it's mostly because this is a men's, but we make it work. This is the makeup. Pretty simple. Fit check. You can see all the shit on my floor. Amazing. I know I'm short, okay? Leave me alone. One thing I like about these boots though, they give me like a little bit of height, so I can be 5'4". Thanks for coming on this journey with me. Maybe next time I'll bring you guys to work with me, who knows? See a little BTS? But in the meantime, for those of you who even give a shit, love you so much. Bye. I am freaking melting. I'm Canadian. This sucks.